Instruments should be calibrated according to manufacturer recommendations, your laboratory protocol, how often the instrument is used, and the level of precision required for the measurements. Calibration means checking and adjusting an instrument so it gives the right numbers, and you do this more often if the manufacturer says so, if your lab rules require it, if you use the instrument a lot, or if your work needs very exact results. Think of it like tuning a piano. A piano in a concert hall gets tuned more often than one in a living room because it is used more and the sound must be perfect. If a scale or spectrometer is used every day for critical tests, it might need weekly or even daily checks, while a rarely used piece of equipment might only need checks every few months. Always write down when you calibrated it and what you did so you have proof and can spot trends if the instrument drifts over time. When in doubt, follow the strictest applicable recommendation to protect data quality and safety. A common mistake is assuming an instrument never needs checking once it worked correctly the first time, which can let small errors grow into big problems, so set a schedule and stick to it. Another error is relying only on internal self-checks without using certified standards or external verification, and the fix is to include independent reference checks whenever possible. A third mistake is ignoring environmental factors like temperature and humidity that affect calibration, so monitor and control the lab environment or add extra calibration checks after significant changes. For more videos and resources on how to set calibration schedules and document procedures, visit www.gumballdegree.com.